Hello, stellar people. And I think this time we're going to try something different, something a little different, and that is digital painting. So I recorded something from my computer. This is in a program, Clip Studio Paint, and I have a drawing tablet from I bought from a friend of mine who wanted to upgrade to a nice fancy huge Cintiq. So I bought his old small Wacom, and I'm going to try some digital painting. So right here, I'm doing some just testing out brushes to see how does this program work. Now I haven't done digital paint since college consistently, and that was what, early 2000s, and I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but but this is a great place to learn, right? So I think this year I'm going to try to do a painting a week to see if I can get up my skills. So after this, after the experimenting with brushes, I'm like, you know what? Let's try a figure painting. Let's try a little bit of a brief digital paint of a character that was done in last week's episode, and just to see what I can do off the cuff. Pretty much just go for it, and that is what we're watching here. So I'm gonna step back and watch this, see if I can learn something, and I will see you at the end, and we shall discuss. So I'll see you then. Let's do this. All right, all right, all right. It's not bad. It's it's not the greatest, but for a reintroduction to digital painting, I can't be too upset with myself. We'll see if we can do more of this non-line work and just straight paint thing. But I'll probably weave in between both practices, doing line work and then painting it, or just straight paint, almost like an oil paint, or a pastel or something. But yeah, it's not terrible. So we'll call this digital paint number 1, and we'll see if we can keep this going for the year. I'm hoping about 25 of them would be a sweet spot for me. But we'll see what we can do. Anyways, I'd like to thank you for tuning in. I want to tell you to keep shining, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.